I never said in public, shoot to kill. Kaya may order sa dyan, shoot to kill kayo. Wala akong pakialam dyan sa human rights. I don't give a shit kung anong gusto nila. This campaign, shoot to kill, will remain until the last day of my term. My orders are sa police pati military. Shoot them dead. Mahirap kayo. Putang ina. Sige. Magtiis kayo sa hirap at gutom. Wala akong pakialam. I hate corruption. Hindi ako nagmamakalinis. Marami rin akong nanakaw pero naubos na. So, wala na. Putang ina ka, umuwi ka na. Yung Prime Minister ng Australia, ni-rape nila. Pilahan nila na ito. Nagalit ako kasi ni-rape. Oo, isa rin yun. Pero, napakaganda. Dapat, ang mayor muna ang mayor. Say! Tao ka rin naman siya. Order bago ni mayor. Di lang daw mo pat yun. Kustilon na mo sa bisong. Wala na yung bisong, wala na may silbi. Okay nung taga, kumusta ang kondisyon sa bisong sa imong asawa? Dobe? Kung sama ng iyang kuhan, naibadgenitis o wa? Ibaho, marami na. Ganun eh. How's the vagina of your wife? Is it smelling or not smelling? Give me the report. Ay, yung mga adik ko dyan, kayo na lang ho ang pumatay. Kung anak niya, ikaw ang pumatay. Kung anak niyang adik, kayo ang pumatay para hindi masyado masakit. And if I have to kill you, I will kill you. Personally. Bullshit, I will kill you. Go out and hunt for them. And kill the idiot. And I will protect you. There's a 3 million drug addict. I'd be happy to slaughter him. But if I will declare a revolutionary government, arestado ko yung lahat. Hindi ako nananakot. Just remember, I will not hesitate to declare a revolutionary government until the end of my term. And I will arrest all of you, and we can go to a full-scale war against the rest.
Do you need to declare martial
No.
law?
Martial law, report pa ang Congress. Mag-declare ako ng revolutionary government period. Ako sa China. Ngayon, pag ayaw nila, then I will ask the Navy to bring me to the nearest boundary dyan sa Spratly, Scarborough. Bababa ako, sasakay ako ng jet ski, dala-dala ko yung flag ng Pilipino at pupunta ako doon sa airport nila, tapos itanim ko. Then I would say, this is ours, and do what you want with me. Bahala na kayo. I would take that plane, and if they want to, matagal ko ng ambisyon niya na maging hero rin ako. Pag pinatay nila ako doon, bahala na kayong umiyak dito. You really think that I would go there riding? I don't even own a jet.
No, I don't. But people perceived that as a sign that you were going to get tough with China.
It was a hyperbole. Literally, you cannot expect to ride. I don't even know how to swim. And if it overturns, then you lose a president along the way.
So why did you say that then? What were you referring to?
Yeah, hyperbole. To stress. Yung sabi ko, mag-jet ski ako doon sa China, kalkuhan nyo. Wala gani akong ibinroad. Istorya man lang yun. Niwala pa lang kayo. Bata. Gawain na lang ninyo kaming
province, Fujian, pati Philippine province of China.
I can invent. I'm coming up with Trillanes' bank deposits. All over the DBS account in Singapore has a balance of 193,000. Na ito, produkto ng isip ko to. Tinanggalan ko lang, tignan ko talaga. Ginamit mo, kasi sinadya ko yan. Trillanes, ganito yan. Binasa ko, binawasan ko ng number. Wala ito, invento lang. I'm losing as a matter of fact on the average. Two, it's either soldier or drug connected. I lose 2-3 policemen a day.
I lose 3 to 4 policemen and soldiers a day. I lose 4-5 soldiers and policemen every day.
Until today, and you can be very sure of this, I'm losing on the average 6 to 8 soldier or policemen in Mindanao.
Anak na rin ako ng mahirap noon.
Tatay ko gobernador noon, may iniwan sa amin. I come from a poor father. Hindi kami mahirap. Wala kami noon, mahirap lang eh. No, my father was governor when he died. At least alam niya maghanap buhay because we had a nice plant and a lumber yard. Yung quarter pa kami. I had $1 million already.
Ako hindi ako milyonaryo.
Promise you now in front of the soldiers and everybody, I will produce that account. At sinasabi ko sa inyo, you can shoot me if it exceeds 40 million. A little less than 200 million. Hindi naman ganun kalaki.
So, nung unang lumabas yun, dininay ng spokesman nyo. Then the following day, date, ano po masabi?
Kasi walang account na 200. A little lesser than 200.
3 to 6 months. I will stop drugs. I will stop criminality. Then I will stop corruption.
3 to 6 months, malinis itong bayan na ito. Na ito si Peter Lim, according to the Chief PNP, he goes in and out of the Philippines from China. Now, if he has friends here, sabihin mo sa kanya, the moment he lands at Naya, he will die. He will die.
Pagkakaroon ng mga rice cartel na nasa likod ng smuggling at price manipulation. Paano babanggain ng administrasyon ninyo ang mga rice cartel na ito?
Sos, ma'am. Kunyan lang, I'll do it in 3 days. Hulihin ko lang yung gagong, yung I testified in the Senate, I identified somebody there. Bangayan. He was one of those smuggling rice. Yung cartel nila, madali yan. The timely passage of train is indeed a milestone. This is the administration's biggest Christmas gift to the Filipino people.